Hello. We've got a new hack. It's an old Volvo V40 1.9 diesel. So what? Nice enough car, does the job. Like every new car you get, there's always some little niggly job that needs doing, and on this one, half the dashboard was in darkness, and you think, well, so what? Doesn't matter, does it? Well, it does when you're in a new car and you're trying to find a light switch or a heat control, whatever it is. So we decided we'd dig in and get it sorted out. Went and looked on the internet, as you do, went and looked on the forums, and it appeared that everybody was doing it, nice straightforward job, but the downside was the genuine little bulbs from Volvo, T4s everybody said, were really expensive, pounds each. So when you've got 3 in the heater controls and 3 in the light switches, you can see that soon gets really expensive, so we didn't want to go down that route. So eBay, and even better, we can get LED replacements, so hopefully they'll live a little bit longer. Getting this switch panel out couldn't be easy. All you've got to undo are these 2 screws here, and then we pull it down and out. So that's what I'll do. And on the back of the switch unit, these are what you're looking for. There's 3 of them on this one, and they just simply unscrew, turn, and then they'll pop out. Now these switches, what you've got to do is very carefully, so you don't damage, is just lift out this panel like that, and then Phillips screwdriver, do these 4 screws in the corners. There's somewhere safe. And what happens is you push it in and pull it out. You have to prise it, dash up a little bit to get it out, and what you can't see on your side is there's 2 plugs. There's a plug on the top here, which just needs a little push. Oh, there you go. And out it comes. There's one plug, there's a plug, and there are your lights. Okay, we stripped out the lights switches and discovered that they're not simply T4s, there are in fact 3 types of T4s. The other thing that people said was that the Volvo bulbs you have to take off, they have little blue covers on them. So I thought I'd be clever and order blue LEDs. Well, all the little blue covers actually do is correct the tungsten bulbs so they look white, so you get white light on your dashboard. So by ordering blue ones, I ended up with a violet blue dash, which looked terrible, so had to redo the job again. Okay, so here we have it. This is the correct Volvo one. There you go. That's what you get pulled out. It's a little blue tungsten bulb with a cover on it. So we thought we'd be clever and we'd order this one, which was an LED replacement, which was already blue coloured and therefore wouldn't need a little cover on. What we didn't realise was that the blue cover is there to stop the tungsten light being yellow and orange. So these now glow violet, which looks terrible. It's also the wrong size, so we went back to the drawing board and we ordered these ones, the correct size with white bulbs in, which will show white. Quick tip before you go to all the trouble of screwing it all back in, plug it back in, and just check that they all light up. The third thing you'll notice that everybody says they're one design, well they're not. Actually there are totally different designs for different sections of the car, so the ones that are using the heater controls have actually got a lot more depth on it, so don't believe anybody who says, oh, it's just one type of fitting. Have a look, order the right things, do the job right first time. If you've enjoyed the video or if you found it useful, please don't forget to like, comment and most importantly subscribe to the channel. We really need your support at the moment, so if you could just subscribe and bear with us, we've got loads of great stuff coming up. See you soon.